I have a bajillion spreads to show you in this video. Okay, maybe not a bajillion, but there's a whole lot here, so let's get to it. Some of my Patreon members get custom spreads sent to them every month. There's 2 tiers that get that. Team Bumble and Team Wallace. Team Bumble is the highest tier and they can have me do anything they want. Team Wallace, I just make a spread I think they'll like. They don't get to request anything. Both of those tiers are full, but there's so much more on my Patreon to check out. You can go to patreon.com/planningwithbumble to see what's available. The link is in the description. But let's get started with Team Bumble. This spread is for Megan. She uses a classic happy planner and she said, do whatever you want. And I was like, I'm just going to go for it. And I made a blackout spread. I love how this turned out. I haven't done one of these in a while. And I had a lot of fun making this. So Megan, I hope you like it. I actually texted her and I was like, hey, do you have a white gel pen? Because if she didn't, I was going to send her one because she's going to need a gel pen to write in this. But she said she has several, so cool. Anyway, for this one, I used a Happy Planner sticker pack that had these in it. That's called Everyday Florals. I also used stickers from the journaling sticker book. I love how it turned out. I call it chalkboard doodles for obvious reasons. It's just so fun and interesting in my opinion. So Megan, I hope you like it. Next, we have a spread for Nicole. Nicole uses a big happy planner. I called this one, Aren't You Glad You're a Patron? Do you see what I did there? Oh, I have so much fun naming these. But anyway, I used the Fruits and Florals sticker book from Live Love Posh. And if you use code Bumble10, you can get 10% off there. But yeah, I love how this turned out. I really like the color combo. Oh, and I also used the Playful Tile sticker book. And there's something I forgot to mention when we started. I started doing a little theme every month for my patrons when I make these spreads. I don't know why. I think it's just fun for me and hopefully for them too. And what I mean by theme is not the theme of the spread, but just a little something that's the same in all of the spreads. So this month, what I did was put polka dots in every spread in some way. So I added polka dots to the boxes in this one. Anyway, I'm obsessed with this spread. I hope Nicole likes it. Next, we have a spread for Alex. This was using the new Happy Planner Oh How Lovely Be Happy box, the sticker book in that, because Alex asked for a Valentine pet spread using that book. And I was like, yep, I can do that. And no, I did not name all the animals in this. I mean, come on. But I did name this guy down here. His name is Finn because Alex's dog is a corgi and his name's Finn. So, I mean, that makes sense. And he's sliding out of the mailbox. Whee! I know, weird. Anyway, I called this Finn's Fantasy. There's a lot going on in this one. A lot. I love it. Next up, a spread for Cindy. Cindy also asked for a dog spread, but she did not specify which kind of dog spread. She just basically said she wanted a spread about puppies, and I thought, sure, why not? So for this one, I used the gold and black sticker book. I decided to use that after I put down this washi tape, which is obviously gold and black. I thought it was really cute and different. And I combined it with some of these from the new Happy Planner Be Happy box. The ones with the florals are from there. And then colorful dogs. I also used a couple of stickers from the Pets sticker book, I think. And this one's called Different Vibes, Different Woofers. Oh, and then I wrote, or Bringing the Sass. I couldn't decide which one was better. Again, I have fun naming them, but I thought this one turned out really cute. Oh, and I used stickers from LOL Quotes. And the reason... So I don't know if you noticed something about this. Okay. The reason I used stickers from LOL Quotes was the first thing I did on here, I put the washi tape and then I put these 2 dogs down. So when I put these 2 dogs down, I looked at them and I'm like, that dog is sniffing that dog's butt. I mean, it's obvious that that's what's happening here. And I thought it was the funniest thing and I left it there. And so I wanted to get an LOL sticker. So I went into LOL Quotes and got an LOL sticker. And then I started putting those around too. I love it. I think it's so funny. Bring in the sass. This last one in Team Bumble is for Gianna. You may have seen this video. I love this spread. I love how it turned out. Gianna asked for a 100th anniversary Disney theme. And she said there was a specific aesthetic that she was looking for. So she sent me some pictures, and I love how this turned out. This was so fun. It's very, very stickery, but I figure for Disney, why not, right? Anyway, if you didn't watch that video, you can go check that out. Okay, that was it for Team Bumble. Now let's look at Team Wallace. We'll start with the classic spreads. Let's do dashboard first. Why not? This one's a spread for Shannon. I used the Simply Lovely sticker book combined with journaling sticker book. I love this one. I think it turned out so pretty. I really like the color combo. So you can see the polka dots in here. I'm not going to point the polka dots out in every spread, but you can search for the polka dots. That's the game in this video. Search for all the polka dots. Anyway, I thought this one was fun. It's just two colors, really just one color with black, and I called it Lovely Roses. This next one's for Kathy. I also love this so much. I call this Santorini Splash, and I used the stickers from Fruits and Florals Live Love Posh sticker book. Again, a really great sticker book. If you don't have that one, check that out. I also used stickers from A Year to Shine, which is an older sticker book. And I think this turned out really pretty. It's only a couple of colors, and they all sort of coordinate together nicely. I really like this. Polka dots. This last dashboard spread is one of my favorites I've ever made, I think. This one is for Victoria. I used the new Squad Goals sticker book that came in that little Squad Goals bundle. I just really like this a lot. For some reason, the dashboard is still kind of hard for me to decorate, but this one was so good, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm patting myself on the back. But you know what I mean? Especially this side. I really love what I did with this side. Anyway, I called it Squad Neighborhood because here's all the girls and they're in their neighborhood and they're doing their thing. I did give Victoria a gratitude box because she says she needs one in every spread, and I thought that one was perfect for it. So yeah, this is so cute, don't you think? Little polka dots, little ones in this spread. This one's for Ellen, and it's very, very pale, but I really like it. I used Archer and Olive stickers that were in like a monthly box last year, I think. And I also used my Archer and Olive stickers that I designed for them. And I like it. I think it's real busy, but at the same time, the colors are really pastel. So, you know, we're okay. These came from one of the Live Love Posh winter sticker books. A lot of snow on this page, a lot of snow. I call it Busy Snowscape. This is for Donna. I used the Mega Botanical sticker book for this one. And I'm going to write her a note here. So I didn't really write the notes yet, but I always write them a note. So it will take up a little bit of this over here. But I thought this one was interesting. The reason being I started putting the boxes down and I sort of like was putting them together. And then what I thought I would do is just create this like boxy area at the top and put all the boxes like boop, 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 all together with a couple of flowers thrown in. And I think it's neat. I'm not sure I've ever done like this sort of situation before. Maybe I have. I always say that. And then I look back and I'm like, yeah, I've done that. But I think it would turn out really cool. I just like it. Anyway, I called it Wildflower Boxes. Okay, so we have another vertical spread. This one's for Kelly. I call it Hexagon Pets. I took stickers from the Mega Pastel sticker book and then combine it with just a few pets, like not too many. I didn't want to over pet, you know what I mean? But I took a few pets from the Cozy Critters sticker book. I like it. For this one, I used polka dot bullet points. Like I used the bullet point stickers for the polka dots. Sometimes I like making clusters in the middle, you know, I think it's so fun. Here's a spread for Shirley. Shirley likes like boho stargazer type spreads. And I thought this one was interesting. Oh my gosh, I had such a hard time with this, but in the end, I really do like it. I used the large size Happy and Mod sticker book for these and like the polka dots too. I obviously also used the Dream Seeker sticker book for these feathers. Oh, and these quotes came from Happy and Mod as well. I used some boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans, and I also put a couple of black polka dots in here too using my Zig Clean Color Dot marker, which is like so fun. Anyway, I think this is very bold and interesting, don't you think? I know there's not a ton of room to write. I got really stickery with this one, but I think it's really cool. Oh, and I call it Escape the Ordinary. Definitely not an ordinary spread here. All right, this one is for Bev. I used the Bold and Blush sticker book, and then I also drew in some of my own boxes on this one. And Bev needs space for dinners in the sidebar, so I put that down there. These are from Kellofaplan Dated Basics, and yeah, I guess that's it. I don't know, it's doodly and fun. I thought it was cool, and I call it Blushing Doodles. All right, that's all the classic spreads. Now let's get to the big vertical Team Wallace spreads. This one got a little wrinkled. I think Wallace stood on it. So sorry, Ashley. I didn't mean to do that, but this one is for you. I call it Floral Moments, and I used stickers from the new Paper Raven Company sticker book. I combined them with stickers from, to be honest, I don't know where. Oh, Sage, the Sage sticker book. Yeah, those are the two sticker books I used for this one. I think it's cool. The polka dots are very hard to find. I mean, okay, they're not hard to find. They're just minimal. I only put them between these at the top of the page. That's it. So I think it's soft and pretty. I wish it wasn't wrinkled. It's not too bad, but a little bit. It's hard not to wrinkle these pages. I try, but sometimes it can't be helped. All right, so this one here is for Lara, and it's very kind of jewel tone and kind of bold, right? But Lara likes jewel toned colors, I think. I'm pretty sure. Usually I look at their surveys and sort of decide what to do for them, so I'm pretty sure she said that. I used Kellofaplan Winter Icon sticker book for these, and then Live Love Posh Winter for the florals, and combine them together. It was a little tricky. Usually there's at least one that trips me up. This one was a little tricky this month, but I like it. I call it Cozy Jewel Tones. This one's for Marisol. I know Marisol likes Disney spreads. Every month after I make these spreads, I take pictures of them and I keep them in individual folders for the people. So what I do then is look back to see what I did in the past couple of months for them and switch it up, because I never want them to feel like they're getting the same thing all the time. And so for Marisol, I think last month was super bright, so I decided to tone it down with something neutral. And I don't know that I've ever given her a Disney spread, at least not in a while. So I pulled stickers from a bunch of the Disney books, I think. I think I used the large Southern Farmhouse one and the small Southern Farmhouse one. I might have also used the Disney Oasis one. Anyway, I thought this was fun because the first thing I did was put this washi tape here and here. It's like this brown polka dot washi. It's kind of cool. And then just threw down a Mickey and Minnie sticker on top of it. I was going to make a bunch of them, but then I thought it looked kind of cool just like it was. Added a bunch of neutral stickers in there, and I call it Neutral Mice. Oh boy. This is the last spread for the month, and this one is for Denise. I call this Blue and Yellow Encouragement. I used stickers from Color Me Happy, Bold and Bright, Go the Distance, and Happy Life. So this one was a little tricky for me, I will say, trying to get those colors because I ran out of colors in certain books. Anyway, I think it turned out really cute. I sort of like that there's only 3 circles there. I wanted another blue one on this side, but I took half of one because I had half of one left, and I sort of like that. I don't like it when it's super symmetrical, so I think this one is really fun. Remember, growth is a process. All right, so what we're going to do now is what we do every month. I'm going to show you each one at a time, and you're going to vote for your favorite in the comments, or your top 3 if you can't decide. I'm just going to say the names of the spreads, okay? You ready? Blue and Yellow Encouragement, Neutral Mice, Cozy Jewel Tones, Floral Moments, Blushing Doodles, Escape the Ordinary, Hexagon Pets, Wildflower Boxes, Busy Snowscape, Squad Neighborhood, Santorini Splash, Lovely Roses, 100 Years of Magic, Different Vibes, Different Woofers, Finn's Fantasy, Aren't You Glad You're a Patron, and Chalkboard Doodles. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.